Good morning. Before we move on to accommodation bill, let us recollect what we have done in the previous session. Okay, seller draws the bill on the buyer. Seller is called as drawer of the instrument, and of course, the buyer is called as what? Acceptor of the instrument. Seller is also a creditor, of course, draws the bill on the debtor. We had seen for the seller, it is a bills receivable asset. For the buyer, it is a bills payable liability. Seller will receive the money, of course. Bills receivable you will collect. The payer is there. Of course, they are called as trade bills. Trade bills are drawn between the seller and buyer. We had seen for the sale of goods, debtors accounted to sales, purchase accounted to creditors. When the bills are drawn, bills receivable to debtors, then creditors to bills payable. On the due date, there are two chances. One is you collect the bill, bank accounted to bills receivable. I pay the bill, bills payable accounted to bank. If it is cancelled, debtors account debtor to bills receivable to which account? Noting charges account like that. Other party bears the noting charges. Suppose if the bill is discounted, what is the entry we pass? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. And the other party book, no entry will come. The discounted bill is honored since the bank is collecting the money. Okay, no entry in the first party book. Second party just paying the bill. Bank discount to bills receivable account, right? So no entry in the acceptor books. When it is dishonored, no entry. Of course, the other party just pays the money. If it is dishonored, debtors account debtor to bank account, and the other party will pass a usual dishonor entry, bills payable, noting charges to which account, creditors account, like that. So like that, we had seen endorsement of a bill, a renewal of a bill. Also, we had seen. First, we will cancel the old bill, then charge the interest and draw the new bill. On the due date of the new bill may be honored or dishonored. There may be insolvency or bad debts. All those things we have seen, right? If you are not able to collect the money, we call it as cash account debtor, bad debts account debtor to the other party account. If you are not able to pay the money, that is called as what? Deficiency. Now let us move on to accommodation bill. Let us move on to the concept called as what? Accommodation bill. Okay. It is called as a bill drawn for short-term financial requirement. Bill drawn for short-term financial requirement. Sir, how it works? Let me explain. Do not copy. I'll give you sufficient time to take it up or copy. Pay attention. Shall we? Let's assume you are A and I am B. You are A and I am B. We are not buyer and seller. You did not sell the goods to me. I did not purchase goods from you. We are not buyers and sellers. We are two good friends. Clear? But both of us are running business. Both of us are running business. You are running your business. I'm running my business. There's no business connection. We are friends, business friends. Okay. For a short-term financial requirement, you need around 3 lakhs. Around 3 lakhs you need for buying stock or, paying your expenses short run for about 2-3 months. I need about 2 lakhs. What to do for short-term financial requirement? How to get the money for short-term financial requirement? Option 1, we can go to the bank and take an OD. But bank will ask for a lot of procedures, documents, and other things. We can arrange an overdraft, but bank will have its own formality and time. We do not want to take an OD, or we don't have any security to offer. In this situation, what will happen is simple. What is the total financial requirement? 5 lakhs. Okay. Now you will draw a bill on me. A will draw a bill on B. Please remember, it is not for purchase and sale of goods. Previously, you did not purchase goods from me or sold goods to you. This is the first transaction. A will draw a bill on B. For how much? 5 lakhs. So let us assume first step is A draws a bill on B for rupees 5 lakhs and accepted by B. Then second one is A will discount the bill. Let's assume you have given bills receivable. You are A. You have given bills receivable 5 lakhs to the bank. and bank charged a discount. Bank charged a discount of 3,000. Let's assume 2 months or 3 months and paid a net amount to you 4,97,000. What will happen is you will send me. A will send to B. How much you will send? Will you send 5 lakhs? Will you send 5 lakhs? No. Okay. How much I need? 2 lakh out of 5 lakh. So 2/5 you will send it to me. Why I need it for short-term purpose? 2/5 I will send it to me. 4,97,000 into 2 by 5 you will send it to me. So I will use this money for 3 months. I will use this money for 3 months. Balance used by A. Balance used by A means out of 4,97,000, you are sending me 2/5. Balance you will use it. Balance you will use it. And please remember, this money is going to be used by us for next 3 months or 4 months. And I should bear the discount also. I should bear the discount also. The 3,000 discount expense, I should bear the 2/5 of expense. Of course, balance discount, you should bear it. Look at the total will come to 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs. Total will come to 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs. Okay, how much of money I am using? 1,98,800. How much of money you are using? 2,98,200 for about 2-3 months. For that, I have to bear a discount of 1,200. Balance discount, you have to bear it. Now, third one is on the due date. On the due date, who has to pay for the bill? B has to pay for the bill. B is the acceptor. I am the acceptor. B has to pay for the bill. How much I have to pay? Now the bill is with bank. I should pay how much? Rupees 5 lakhs. I should pay 5 lakhs to the bank. But remember, 3 months back, I got 1,98,800. My discount is 1,200. So this is 2 lakhs. Sorry, this is 2 lakhs. This is 3 lakhs. Clear? So 5 lakhs I should pay to the bank. 5 lakh I should pay to the bank. 3 months back, I got only 1,98,900 and discounting charges 1,200. Total money used by me is 2 lakhs. But I have to pay 5 lakhs to the bank. How will I pay? Simple. On the due date, A will send rupees 3 lakhs to B. A will send rupees 3 lakhs to B and B will pay for the bill. That's all. This is accommodation bill. Simple. I repeat the example. You are A, I am B. You need 3 lakhs for business. I need 2 lakhs for business. For short term purpose, 5 lakhs. You draw the bill of exchange on me. A draws a bill of exchange on B for 5 lakhs. It can be otherwise also. B also can draw the bill. For example, I am telling you, you are drawing the bill of 5 lakhs. I accepted it. Now, since you are the drawer, A will discount the bill with the bank. A will discount the bill with the bank. Let us assume bank charged 3,000 discount. Bank charged 3,000 discount. Okay. Now simple. You are getting a net amount of 4,97,000. You look at 2/5 of total money. 2/5 of total money. I want it. I will take it. Since I am using this money like an interest, I should bear the discounting charges also. So total my portion is 2 lakhs. Remaining 3 lakhs of portion you are using. After adjusting discount, you will be using 2,98,200. You will purchase stock, you will run business for about 3 months. Run business for about 2-3 months. On the due date, the bank will come and ask me, I'm the acceptor. I have to pay how much? 5 lakhs to the bank. Bank will not know whether it is a trade bill or accommodation bill. On the due date, bank will approach the acceptor to pay the money. How much I should pay? 5 lakhs. But 3 months back, how much I got from you, including discount, it is 2 lakhs. So simple, you send me the balance 3 lakhs so that I will settle the bill. You'll ask me question, sir, if A is not sending money to B, this 3 lakhs, what will happen? Bill will be dishonored. Or I have to pay the bill, then I will file a case against you to recover the money. I will pay 5 lakhs to the bank, then I will file a case against you to recover what? 3 lakhs. So please understand, for drawing and accepting the bill, okay, prior to this bill, there is no relationship. We had seen in the class where there was a buying and selling. You sell the goods, I buy the goods, like that. That is tradable. Here, we draw the bill only for what? Mutual accommodation. Mutual accommodation means short-term financial requirement. Now, what is a journal entry you will pass? What is a journal entry? A will pass and B will pass. Same journal entry only. When you draw the bill, what is the entry you will pass? Journal entry and all, there is no difference. Bills receivable account data to B account. Bills receivable account data to B account, how much? 5 lakhs. I will pass entry like A account data to bills payable. When you're discounting the bill, what is the entry you will pass? Bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable, like that. Journal entries are going to be the same, but the concept is okay. We draw the bill mutually, and of course, we use the money for short term purpose. Take up this, then we will proceed. If there is a doubt, please ask me. The exam, they will ask you to pass journal entry for this. Just pass a journal entry for this. Discounting charges should be borne in the ratio in which the money is used. எந்த ப்ரொபோர்ஷன் நீங்க மணி யூஸ் பண்றீங்களோ அதே ப்ரொபோர்ஷன்ல வாட் யூ டு bear the discounting charges. Before we go to a textbook question, okay, take up this question. On 1/1/2023, look at this question. This is a typical examination question. In the model, the exam question கேட்பாங்க for 8 marks. On 1/1/2023, A drew a bill on B for mutual accommodation 3 lakhs for 4 months. A discounted the bill on 4/1/2023 at 12% per annum and remitted. Remitted means sending the money. What do you mean by remitted? Sending the cash. 2/3 to B. So A is using 1/3, B is going to use 2/3. On the due date, A was unable to pay. Look at, on the due date, you should have paid me the money, but you're not paying the money. Therefore, what happens is B is drawing the bill on A. B is drawing the bill on A, and I am discounting the bill, and I'm sending you some sort 12,500 to A. On the due date of the second bill, who became insolvent? A became insolvent, only 60 paise in a rupee was recovered. Look at, who is drawing the first bill? A on B. Okay. You discounted the bill. Okay. So on the due date, you should have sent me the money to pay the bill, but you're not sending me the money. Therefore, I am drawing a bill on you. So second accommodation bill, B is drawing on A. And I discounted the bill. I discounted the bill and remitted what? 12,500 to A. On the due date, A became insolvent. Only what? A 60 paise in a rupee was recovered. I request you to copy this question. It's a typical examination question for 8 marks. Please copy this question. This will not be there in your material. The first bill was drawn by A on B, and A discounted the bill and sent two-thirds to B. On the due date, you should have sent the balance one-third. You are not able to send the money. Therefore, B draws the bill on A for 3 months and discounted the bill, and B remitted some money to A. Remitted means sending the money. On the due date, A became insolvent. Only what? 60 paise rupee was recovered. So there are two parties, right? Who are the two parties? Let us assume, okay, we are let's assume A, and some other party is B. We are A and somebody else is B. Like that, let us assume and continue. Who's drawing the bill? A is drawing the bill. What is the entry you will pass for drawing the bill? Bills receivable account data to B account. Bills receivable account data to B account. What is the entry the other party will pass? A account data to bills payable account. A account data to bills payable account for the 3 lakhs. Then we are discounting the bill. A is discounting the bill. What is the entry we'll pass? Bank account data, discount account data to which account? Bills receivable account. Okay, bills receivable value is 3 lakhs. It is discounted just about 3 days after. How many months bill? It is 4 months bill. It is 4 months bill. So discount will be, what will be the discount? 3 lakhs into 12% for 4 months. 3 lakhs into 12% for 4 months. So balance 2,88,000. We are discounting it. Bank account data 2,88,000. Discount account data 12,000. To bills receivable 3 lakhs. It is a transaction happening in our book. The other party will not pass any entry. B will not pass any entry. Then we are sending two-thirds to B. We are sending two-thirds to the other party. Two-thirds means on the amount two-thirds. How much we got? 2,88,000. We will send what? Two-thirds. Discount leave two-thirds, the other party will bear it. So what is the entry for sending the money? Debit the receiver. B account data 3 lakhs le two-thirds. Two-thirds we are sending. Okay. Discount le two-thirds. Discount le two-thirds. And the bank also 2,88,000 into 2 by 3. Everything two-thirds. Use the money two-thirds, bear the discount also two-thirds. Then the other party is getting the money from us. What is the entry he will pass? What is the entry that he will pass? Bank account data, discount account data to which account? A account, like that he will pass the entry. Bank account data, discount 8,000 of expenses he is bearing to A account 2 lakhs, like that he will be passing the entry. Wait. On the due date, on the due date of the first bill, we are not able to send the money. On the due date of the first bill, we are not able to send the money. What is the due date of the first bill? 1/1/2023 plus how many months? 4 months. It will become 1/5/2023 with 3 days of grace. Okay, 1/1/2023, 4 months and 3 days of grace we should allow. On the due date, how much we should send? Two-thirds is already sent. Two-thirds is already sent. Balance one-third of money we are using. On the due date, how much we have to send? A has to send 1 lakh. Amount due from A to B is one-third. On the bill value 3 lakhs, already two-thirds is remitted. Balance 1 lakh is to be sent. Are we sending it? No. We are not sending it. We are not sending it. But the other party has to pay the bill. Other party has to pay the bill because acceptor has to pay the bill. It is between A and B. Sending or not sending doesn't matter. Bank will collect Okay, money from B, bills payable accounted out to bank. How much the other party should pay? 3 lakhs. Now look at this. On the due date, A was unable to remit the amount. Therefore, B drew a bill on A for 2,30,000. Who's drawing the second bill now? B is drawing the bill on us. What is the entry the other party will pass? Bills receivable accounted out to A account. We will pass the entry B accounted out to bills payable account. B accounted out to bills payable account. Copy up to this, then we will proceed further. Let me explain once again. We draw the bill, bills receivable to B. The other party is accepting the bill, A accounted out to bills payable. We discount the bill, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. It is a transaction happening in our book. The other party will not pass any entry. Then we are sending 2/3 of the amount. Simple. 2/3 of the net amount and 2/3 of discount also the other party should bear. Okay. I'm using 1/3 or we are using 1/3. The other party is using what? 2/3. Let the 2/3 be borne by the other party. Let the 2/3 be borne by the other party. Then on the due date, we should have sent the balance 1 lakh, but we are not sending. But anyhow, the other party should pay the money. How much he should pay the money? 3 lakhs because he is paying for the bill. Now the second bill is drawn by B on A. So B will pass the entry. Bills receivable accounted out to A account. For us, it is bills payable. B accounted out to bills payable. This is for drawing the second bill. Please copy this. Any doubt so far? இதெல்லாம் டவுட் இருக்கா கேளுங்க. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் கான்செப்ட். ரெண்டு ரெண்டு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் கான்செப்ட். 3 lakhs நம்மளுக்கு பைசா டோட்டலா வேணும். ஓகே, எதுக்கு பைசா வேணும்? பிசினஸ் பண்றதுக்காக. ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் ஃபினான்ஷியல் ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட்டுக்காக எழுதுற பில் தான் பில் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச். தட் இஸ் அகாமடேஷன் பில். ஸோ டோட்டலா 3 lakhs ஏ ரைட்ஸ் அ பில் ஆன் பி. ஏ டிஸ்கவுண்ட் பண்ணி 2/3 பி அனுப்பிச்சிடுறான். ஓகே, ரிமைனிங் 1 lakh வந்து டியூ டேட்டா அனுப்பிச்சா பி பே பண்ணுவான். பட் ஏ இஸ் நாட் சென்டிங் தட் மணி. But B has to pay for the bill. So B is drawing the bill on A that we are accepting. Ask me. Please ask me. Now, can you pass entry for discounting the second bill in the books of B? Look at this. B drew the bill on A for 2,30,000 for 3 months and discounted the bill for 2,25,000. Second bill, who is discounting? Second bill, who is discounting? B is discounting the second bill. B is discounting the second bill. For that, he will pass the entry. What is the entry B will pass? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to which account? Bills receivable account. That is the entry who will pass? B will pass. Keep copying. I just repeat. A drew the bill on B. B accepted the bill. A discounted the bill and two-thirds of the amount is sent to B. While sending the amount, most important is two-thirds of the money, 2,88,000 into two-thirds. Discount also the other party should bear to the extent of two-thirds. B will receive 1,92,000 and of course discount 8,000 he has to bear to A account. On the due date of the first bill, that is on 4/5/2023, A should have sent 1 lakh. A should have sent 1 lakh, but A is not able to send the money. Anyhow, the acceptor should pay for the bill. Acceptor should pay for the bill. So B drew a bill on A for 2,30,000. Then second bill, B drew the bill on A. B drew the bill on A. Now, for those who taken up, how much money is sent? How much money is sent while discounting the second bill? B remitted 12,500 to A. B remitted how much? 12,500 to A. He discounted the bill and B is sending 12,500 to A. Now, how much of discount should be charged for A? How much of discount should be charged for A? Can you work out and tell me the amount? Do you understand? After discounting the second bill, B is sending 12,500 to A. We are getting 12,500 from B. How much of discount should be borne by us? Work out பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Three answers I got. One is 2,500 is the discount to be borne by A. Second answer 268. Third answer from 276 அந்த மாதிரி. Let us see. Others, please work out. Please work out. சும்மா அப்படி வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காதீங்க. Please try to work out and tell me the answer. 278. Another answer. Then 272. Okay, second bill got discounted for 2,25,000. Out of this, 12,500 is sent. Out of this, 12,500 is sent. So what many of you would have done is 5,000 is a discount. Okay, for 2,25,000 means what is for 12,500? Like that, you would have worked out. 5,000 is a discount for 2,25,000 means what is 12,500? Like that, you would have worked out. Or some of you would have worked out 5,000 is the discount for 2,30,000 into 12,500 like that. Okay, this is not the correct approach. Wait for it. The first answer which we got is a correct answer. I hope somebody told 2,500 rupees, right? That is a correct answer. Very good thinking. Wait. This is not a correct answer. Wait. Listen. Already there is an old amount due from A to B. Already there is an old amount due from whom? A to B, 1 lakh. Plus, now how much is sent? 12,500 is sent. Wait, if you look at second bill net value, what is the net value of the second bill? How much B got net from the bank? 2,25,000. In that, how much money is used by A? How much money is used by A? Already, A has to pay how much? 1 lakh. Okay, already 1 lakh is being used by A, that is not returned. And now 12,500 is sent. So already old amount 1 lakh is due. Now 12,500 is sent. Total money used by A is 1,12,500 out of this 2,25,000. Out of 2,25,000 in A's account, already 1 lakh is there. Plus now 12,500 is sent now. 1,12,500 out of 2,25,000. If you look at the proportion, 1 by 2 of the money is used by A. 1 by 2 of the money is used by A. Any doubt in it? Sir, already for the first bill, one third he should have sent. That is not sent by A. So 1 lakh is due. Now how much is remitted? 12,500. What is the total money is used? What is the total money used? 1 lakh 12,500 out of 2 lakh 25,000 means half of the money is used. Half of the money is used. So you should bear the half of the discount also. You should bear half of the discount also. So A account debt are 15,000 to cash 12,500 to discount 2,500. Then we are receiving money, cash account debt are 12,500, discount 2,500 to B account how much? 15,000. I repeat. Pay attention. Already A should have paid one third on the due date of the first bill. A 1 lakh அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கணும் இல்லையா? He is not sending. So that amount is due. Now, okay, 12,500 is being sent by B to A. So what is the total account balance of A? 1,12,500 out of what? 2,25,000 net money. Clear? 1,12,500 is the net money out of not 2,30,000, out of 2,25,000 which he got from the bank. So 1 by 2 of the money is used. So 1 by 2 of the discounting charges should be borne. That is why debit the receiver A account debtor to cash 12,500 to discount 2,500. Sir, the first bill discount was one third, two third. Second bill discount need not be in that same ratio. It can be in some other ratio. Wait, if you look at already there is an old amount due. Already there is an old amount due. How much? 1 lakh. Now 15,000. Now 15,000. If you look at total money due is 1 lakh 15,000. Old amount due is 1 lakh. Now remitted 12,500. Discount we have to bear 2,500. What is the total? 1 lakh 15,000 is due. 1 lakh 15,000 is due. What happens on the due date of the second bill? On the due date of the second bill, A became insolvent. Who's acceptor of the second bill? A is the acceptor of the second bill. Okay, we passed entry B account debtor to bills payable account like that. We became insolvent, so the bill has to be cancelled. On the due date of the second bill, the bill has to be what? Cancelled. What is it? How to pass cancellation entry? How to pass cancellation entry? Reverse entry. Bills payable account debtor to the other party account. The other party will pass debtors account debtor to bank account. It is a discounted bill. Do you remember? We learned in the last class. Discounted bill dishonored. What is entry we will pass? Debtors account debtor to bank account. I will pass or we will pass bills payable account debtor to B account. Now listen. Are we paying the full money? No. Look at. We are able to pay what? 60 paise. For the payer who's not able to pay the money, it will be called as deficiency. For the payer who's not able to pay the money, it will be called as deficiency. B account debtor total 1,15,000 we have to pay, but we are paying only what? 60%. Remaining 40% will become what? Deficiency. What is the entry the other party will pass? Can you tell me what is the entry the other party will pass? Cash account debtor, bad debts account debtor to which account? A account. That's all. I repeat this part once again to make you understand better. Second bill got discounted for 2,25,000. Second bill got discounted for net 2,25,000. Already there was 1 lakh account balance from A, plus he got 12,500 now. So what is the total money used by A? 1,12,500 out of this 2,25,000. Now half of the money is used, half of the discount he has to bear. So we are sending money A account debtor to cash to make the other party to bear the discount 2,500. Here we receive cash account debtor, discount account debtor to B account. We look at the total money due 1,15,000. The second bill dishonored. Second bill also dishonored. What is entry we'll pass? Bills payable account debtor to B account. He will pass debtors account debtor to bank account. Then we are able to pay only what? We are able to pay only 60%. Remaining becomes what? Deficient. The other party cash bad debts to A account. It's a typical examination question. Same genre will be used or same step will be there. First bill will be there. They will discount and send it. And on the due date, the party may not be able to pay the money. So second bill will be drawn by B on A. Second bill will be drawn by B on A. Then that will be discounted and you should share the discount also. Then on the due date, either one of the party may become insolvent. Either A or B may become what? Insolvent. For that you have to pass which one? Journal entry. Take up this. Try to work out 15th question or this Shogun draws an accommodation bill on Mohan question. After this, you are going to try. Entire question you are going to try. In the same order, whatever we have done now. First bill, send the money. On the due date, you are not able to send the money, balance money. So what will happen is, second bill will be drawn by the other party on the first party. Then second bill will be discounted, money will be remitted, and on the due date, one party will become insolvent and partly amount will be recovered. In the same order, entries should be passed. Try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Complete this, then try to work out the other question. You are going to try. I'll give you around 15 minutes of time. Of course, to copy this and solve the next question. Don't wait for my answer. Everybody, please sincerely try. Please sincerely try. Anyhow, this man is going to work out. Why should I try? Ensure that you are trying. Sohan draws an accommodation bill, 12,000 on Mohan. The proceeds are to be shared in 2:1 ratio. The first bill got discounted for 720 and 1/3 is sent to Mohan. Okay. Before the due date, the Mohan draws a second bill for 16,800 to arrange the money for paying the first bill. Second bill got discounted for 16,320. The first bill is paid and 2,880 is remitted to Sohan. Sohan became insolvent before the due date of the second bill. Mohan receives only what? 50 paise in a rupee from Sohan. Same order, only amounts are different. Only the amounts are different. So in the books of Sohan, first bill, bills receivable account data to Mohan 12,000. The other party, Sohan account data to bills payable 12,000. We discounted the bill. Sohan, bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable. The other party will not pass any entry. We are remitting the money. We are remitting the money. Debit the receiver. Mohan account data to cash to discount. 1/3. We are using 2/3. To Mohan, we are sending 1/3. So on the bill value, 12,000 le 1/3, cash 11,280 le 1/3, discount le 1/3. Discount le 1/3. Mohan account data are 4,000 to cash 3,760 to discount how much? 240. The other party will receive the money, cash account data, discount account data to Mohan account. I hope you will not have a trouble up to this. Now, on the due date of the first bill, what is the money due from Sohan? What is the money due from Sohan? Out of 12,000, already எவ்வளவு அனுப்பிச்சிட்டேன் 4,000 I have sent. Balance due from us is how much? 8,000. So that is not paid by us, but new bill drop பண்றாங்க. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த பைசா பே பண்ணிடணும். Bills payable account to bank, the acceptor has to pay. For paying this money, what happens is the Mohan is drawing the bill on Sohan. The second bill, bills receivable account to Sohan. For us, it becomes what? Bills payable. To pay this funds, okay, Mohan is drawing the bill on Sohan. And the second bill got discounted. Second bill got discounted by Mohan. It's given in the question. Bank account data, discount account data to bills receivable account. Up to this, I hope it would have been clear. Now work out and tell me. Now second bill, after discounting the second bill, how much is remitted to Sohan? How much is remitted to Sohan? 2,880 is remitted to what? Sohan. For that, what is the discount to be borne? Can you work out and tell me? Very good. 320 is the correct answer. We are sending 2,880. What is the discount to be borne is the question. Already there is an 8,000 due. Now we are sending 2,880. If you look at second bill, net amount is, you should not see 16,800. You should not see 16,800. We have not got 16,800 from bank. Bank கிட்ட இருந்து நம்ம 16,800 வாங்கல. We got only 16,320. Already there is an 8,000 due from Sohan plus 2,880 sent. So 10,880 out of 16,320. 10,880 out of 16,320. So discount charges போடும்போது this 480 into 10,880 by 16,320. 480 is the discount. That into the proportion of money used. I hope it will also come to 2/3 நினைக்கிறேன். 480 into 10,880 by 16,320. So that is the discounting charges to be borne. If you look at already 8,000 was due. Now remitted is how much? 2,880. Discount charges 320. Totally, after the second bill, total amount due from Sohan to Mohan is 11,200. Sohan to Mohan, 11,200 is due. Any doubt in it? Clear? So second bill order net amount 16,320. Already old amount due irukku plus second bill order due amount. Total 10,880 out of 16,320 na. For 480 how much? 320 proportionately you have to bear. So there is already an old amount due plus remitted is 2,880. Discounting charges 320. Total 11,200 is due. Totally 11,200 is due after the second bill. Now the second bill is not paid. Second bill is not paid. Second bill is cancelled. What is the entry we will pass? Usual dishonor entry. Mohan to bills payable. எப்படி cancel பண்ணுவீங்க? Bills payable account data to Mohan account. Other party discounted bill debtors account data to bank account. உங்களுக்கு bills payable account data to Mohan. The other party, what is the entry the other party will pass? Debtors account data to bank account. Sohan account data to bank account. Sohan account data to bank account. Now we are not able to send full money. Out of 11,200, look at how much is sent. Only 50 paise in a rupee is remitted. Only 50 paise in a rupee is remitted. So balance becomes deficiency for us. Mohan account debtor to cash account to which account? Deficiency account. The other party, what is the other party will pass? Cash account debtor, bad debts account debtor to Sohan. So in the examination, either renewal of a bill, old bill, cancel old bill, then charge interest, draw the new bill, on the due date of the new bill, the party may become bad debts and the mari. That type of model is asked, or this type question is tested. Accommodation bill concept is tested. First bill is drawn, discounted, money is sent. On the due date, you are not able to pay the money. So draw the second bill. Draw the second bill. Then the other party will send the money. And of course, you have to share the discount also. Then on the due date of the second bill, either of the party may become insolvent. Either of the party may become insolvent. Those who are yet to copy, please copy this. Those who copied, try to work out question number 14. Try to work out question number 14. The same model is okay, you can finish off it in 5 minutes of time. You can just do it in 5 minutes of time. That question number 14. This bills of exchange chapter, we learned in class. Just revise this. That is more than sufficient for your exam. Okay, whatever we learn in the class, 90% of the learning, or here I would say 100% of the learning in the class itself is over. Even we practice more questions. So just recollect them. Just recollect them. Examination learning is over now itself. Copy this and you must try complete set or full set of question number 14. All the entries from first one till the bad debts in insolvency, complete everything for the 14th question. Now in the class, maximum 10 minutes of time to read and solve question number 14, 10 minutes of time. Those who tried it, you just tell me, I'll just type it your answers. In the books of X, the books of Y. Okay. First we are drawing the bill. Date எல்லாம் நீங்க போட்டுங்க. Bills receivable account data. How much amount? First bill. How much amount? First bill 2 lakhs. 2Y account. Date and all you put it properly. For the other party, X account data, bills payable account, 2 lakhs. For discounting the bill, 2 lakhs is the bill. What is the discounting charges of the first bill? For sending money, X account data, how much is sent? Half the amount is sent. So out of 1,95,000, half the amount is sent. Na? Discount also half the amount should be borne. So half of the amount is sent, remaining half of the amount is due, but he has to pay for the bill. The acceptor has to pay for the bill. Bills payable account data to bank account. Bills payable account data to bank account. You have to pay for the bill 2 lakhs. Second bill is drawn by this party. Bills receivable account data to X account. How much? What is the second bill value? 1,20,000. We are accepting the bill. Then the second bill is discounted. discounted for any doubt in it? While sending the money, how much is sent? How much is sent? Second bill, 7,800 is sent. So old bill, old amount due, 1 lakh. Second bill sent 7,800. So 1 lakh 7,800 out of 1 lakh 17,600. This is the proportion of money used. So discount also should be borne in the same proportion. Discount will be 2,400 into 107,800 out of 1,17,600. He'll pass entry, gets a cash account data 7,800, discount account data Y account 10,000. So final amount due. Old amount 1 lakh plus 7,500 cash plus 2,200 discount. So totally 1 lakh 10,000 is due. On the due date of the second bill, the other party became insolvent. So what is the entry will pass? Bills payable account debtor, bills payable account debtor to Y account, 1,20,000. He'll pass the entry debtors account debtor to bank account, X account debtor to bank account. That is for the dishonor of the bill. In the final amount due, we are able to pay only a part amount. How much was paid? 40 paise in a rupee was recovered in Kuturka. So let us pass the entry, debit the receiver, Y account debtor, 1,10,000 should have been received, but we are able to pay only 40 paise in a rupee. Balance becomes what? Any doubt in it? Yeah, this is accommodation bills. So the bills of exchange concept, we have done the basic things. We have done the basic things like normal bills, discounting of bills, endorsement of bill, sending the bill for collection, extending the time, rebate on bills, then this accommodation bill, rules and calculation of due dates like that we have done. I mean, 100% of bills have exchanged now.